Today, we are going to train your English voice to use to and enough. We use to and enough to say that something is more than what we expected. Usually, we use to before adjectives and adverbs. It gives a negative feeling. Have a look at the sentence example. Our competitors are working too hard. They are going to steal our clients. So here, hard is the adverb. It is describing the verb working. So we added to before the adverb. Usually we use enough after adjectives and adverbs, but before nouns. It gives a positive feeling. Have a look at the sentence example. We give good enough service. They are not going to steal our clients. So here we are using the word enough after the adjective good, but before the noun service. Sometimes we can use enough on its own. The company doesn't need any more telephones. They have enough. So this means that there are enough telephones in this company. We are not going to buy any more telephones. There are enough. Sometimes enough and to can be used to support each other. So have a look at these two sentences. I have too many books on my desk. There is not enough space. So here the words enough and to are supporting each other. They are taking up the entire desk. So perhaps you can no longer work on your desk because there isn't any space. Sometimes we use enough or to plus for plus noun. Have a look at the sentence example. We have enough products for all our customers. So here we have enough and then the word for and then the noun customers. Sometimes we use enough or to plus a verb. So have a look how we use that in a sentence. We have too many orders to keep all our customers happy. We use the word to, followed by to, and then the verb keep. Excellent job today with the words to and enough. Well done. Goodbye.